Hello, let me show you blood oxygen comparison between Redmi Watch 5 Lite and Apple Watch Series 10. So let's start from Redmi Watch and let's start from Apple Watch. There we go. Click next, click done, and let's do the same on our Redmi Watch. So now we just have to wait and let's find out which one gonna be faster for this result. As you can see, we got different animation on the Apple Watch, and as you can see here we got information 96. For the Redmi Watch 5 Lite it shows the same result, 96. There we go. So let's try one more time. Let's see if it actually looks a little bit different. I'm not moving, I'm just resting with the same position. Let's see if the values are gonna change. In my opinion, this animation on the Apple Watch looks better. Now we got 97 on Apple Watch and also 97 on Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, but now it goes to the 99 and goes back to the 97. Okay, so it looks like for some resting, they actually are almost the same. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.